How to fix this device is requesting a PCI interrupt but is configured for an ISA interrupt. This is a device manager error code that indicates a problem with the interrupt request, IRQ, translation for a device. An IRQ is a signal that a device sends to the processor to request its attention. Different devices use different types of IRQs, such as PCI, Peripheral Component Interconnect, or ISA, Industry Standard Architecture. If a device is requesting a PCI interrupt but is configured for an ISA interrupt, or vice versa, it means that the device and the system are not compatible and cannot communicate properly. To fix this error, you may need to use the BIOS setup utility to change the settings for IRQ reservations, if such an option exists. Alternatively, you may need to update or reinstall the drivers for the device. You can also check the device manufacturer's website for more information and support. Plan B, try using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Learn more, cm_prop_IRQ_translation_failed, Windows drivers. https://learn.microsoft